Is Makkal Needhi Mayam a force to reckon with? That is a bigger question that's being asked currently, as Tamil Nadu is going to face the elections in just probably another 6 months or so. And behind us in this private hotel currently, Kamal Haasan is holding a meeting with his office bearers for the third day, and the entire meeting session is expected to go for 4 days. And consecutively, as everybody knows, the state after the death of Jayalalitha and Karunanidhi, every tall leader started saying that there is a vacuum of power, and two stars who wanted to turn into netas decided to fill that vacuum. The first one was Kamal Haasan and the second one was Rajinikanth. And in Rajinikanth's case, still there is no party. Office bearers are trying to even fans are trying various methods to instigate Rajinikanth to take the political plunge. On the other hand, Kamal Haasan, he floated the party, and now he claims that the party has reached all grassroots. And Kamal Haasan's Makkal Needhi Mayam, he always shows his hands like this to explain what Makkal Needhi Mayam is. That party is going to be the future of Tamil Nadu. That is how he is depicting it. Not just that, in this meeting again, as Kamal Haasan is known for wordplay and this mastery over Tamil language, very clearly mentioned about certain questions. The first one is about how is he going to survive. Will he join hands with the leading parties in Tamil Nadu? Because since 1967, Dravidian parties, be it DMK or AIDMK, are the two parties that have ruled Tamil Nadu. But for that, he has claimed that he will not join hands with such parties. In fact, using wordplay again, he very clearly mentioned that there was a rumor about Kamal Haasan's party not joining Dravidian parties, but he wanted to make it very clear that until the term Dravidam is a part of the national anthem, that term cannot be removed. So he changed the term to Karagam. So now he claims that DMK, Dravida Munnetra Karagam, and AIADMK, Anna Dravida Munnetra Karagam, these two tall parties, Makkal Needhi Mayam will not join hands with. Not just that, he's also trying to say that he wants to draw parallel with Aam Aadmi Party, and he very clearly mentioned that the state is getting ready to face what occurred in Delhi back in 2013, the rise of Aam Aadmi Party. Similarly, Makkal Needhi Mayam, MNM, will become a force to reckon with in Tamil Nadu, and that is what he has said. Very clearly, he is also trying to provide answers to whatever criticisms that are being kept. In fact, he also spoke about him charging crores and crores of rupees for Bigg Boss, and he also said that money he is actually using for the welfare of the people, and he is proud of it. That is how we try to depict as well. In all such measures, Kamal Haasan is trying to say that his party will be the third front, capable of leading the third front, and that's why he claims that all efforts and works are being done. So as per Rajinikanth and as per Kamal Haasan, Tamil Nadu is riddled with corruption, and they are the people who are coming to clear the path. At least in Rajinikanth's case, no party yet, but Kamal Haasan very firmly has said that they have already faced the elections and are getting ready to face the 2021 assembly elections, probably as the third front. With camera person Vijay Shekhar, Pramod Madhav for Mirror Now.